A new power in the Far East, the Philippine Army. It has a social as well as military significance. This is emphasized by General MacArthur of the USA, organizing the defense of the islands.
The Philippines Defense Act is, in effect, a charter of individual liberty and national freedom. Its purpose is to preserve the integrity of the only Christian state in the Far East, to perpetuate ideals of religious freedom, personal liberty, and republican government which have, under American tutelage, flowered here into fruition. It creates no dominant military caste. The government simply provides a means whereby its citizens may be so organized, equipped, and trained as to be prepared and ready to defend their country. The plan is a pure product of democracy and repudiates autocracy, communism, and every other political order which violates the tenets of government only by the consent of the governed.